Here's the front part. Door. Those are heated beds. Storage. This is a slide-in. So it slides in here and it makes it bigger. Okay, so there is. Ethan inspected everything thoroughly. He was telling Sharon, I'm inspecting. He's opening everything. He's so nosy. You see? And refrigerator. It slides in here. And then here's the back room. And I think this is a queen. And here's some more things for your cable. Awesome. 2 TVs. And here's the bathroom. Everything in here. Skylight.